Hi everybody, it's Cathy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat. I am opening my very first subscription box. I'm super excited about this one because it's actually a Canadian subscription box. And if I have any fellow Canadians watching, you know that it is very expensive for us to subscribe to most subscription boxes because they originate from the United States and we have to pay the exchange of money, duties, and shipping, which can be very costly. And those fees can add up very quickly and add quite a substantial cost on top of the actual subscription box fee. So I've been watching a lot of different subscription box videos, and I stumbled across a fellow Canadian lady. She has a wonderful channel and I will link it below, and her name is Justine Louise. We've been talking back and forth and we've become YouTube friends, which I think is super nice. So she actually convinced me that I should try a subscription box. Now currently I have 3 that are coming to me, 2 of which are Canadian. So you might want to make sure that you are subscribed so you see the unboxings as they arrive. So this very first box is by Simply Beautiful. I haven't opened it yet. I believe it originates out of British Columbia, and I believe it comes quarterly. But I will link the website below in case you want to check it out, and I don't get anything because they have no clue who I am. But I just was excited about finding a Canadian box, and if you're interested, you can go check it out. I have my handy knife and I'm just gonna cut it open and we're gonna look at it together. So, whoops, something fell out, but this is what it looks like. And I'll just put it down here. So there is a card, I guess, if you just want to share it on your social media. And then there's a note from the company. And I guess this is their fall box. So everything's listed on there. I won't look at it because I want to be surprised. Now I have seen a few of these unboxings, so I have an idea of what might be in here, but I've watched so many, I've kind of forgotten, have lost count. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is, I guess, some coffee from Starbucks. I don't drink coffee, but I will pass this along to my mom. She drinks it, and I'm sure she will enjoy it. The next item is a very dainty necklace, and it's by All of Them Piper. I believe they are a Canadian company. Well, I think most things in here are Canadian, but I'm gonna have to double check that. But it's a dainty little necklace. I'll probably give that to my daughter because I don't like gold. I like white gold. Next up is a lipstick, yay, and it's a vibrant lipstick from the company Elate. They are, I believe, a company from British Columbia, if I'm not mistaken, and the packaging is very nice. The lipstick color is Bloom. The packaging feels like it's bamboo. I'm just trying to open it. It's a lovely packaging. Oh, that looks like a lovely color. I'll just swatch it for you. It feels very creamy. Oh, that is a very nice sheer pink. I will definitely wear this. It's quite a nice lipstick. Has a lovely scent to it as well. I don't know a lot about this company, but that's what it looks like, and I'll definitely wear this in some upcoming Get Ready With Me's. Oh, I got the pen. I saw this on Justine's channel. It's a rose gold pen, and I wanted it so bad. It has a beautiful, well, obviously not real diamond, but it's a pen, and it's very, very nice. I like that a lot. And oh yay, I was hoping I'd get this too. I'm hoping it's the one that I saw. It is. It's a little trinket tray by the company Blush Peony. These are nice to put on your nightstand, to put like your rings, or I even like to put my lip balms on them. It displays everything nicely on your nightstand. I'm happy about that. Oh, look, Justine, I got the serum we were talking about. Justine's talked about this, and I believe this is the one that she really likes, and it's by Huna, H-U-N, Apothecary, and it is a face serum with, I believe that says rose hip. I'm having a hard time reading that. Yes, it was, it's a clean beauty product from a Winnipeg-based skincare line. And it's full of antioxidants, so that is great. I'll be anxious to try this out. It has organic carrot tissue oil, rosemary extract, green tea. Wonderful. I'll definitely try this out tonight. And I've seen a lot of people talk about this, and it is a 100% natural hand cream, and it's grapefruit turmeric. I never know how you say that word. Let's try it. I suppose it would help if I took the little stopper off of the end. So far, I'm very happy about what I received in this box. Oh my gosh, that smells heavenly. That's lovely. I love hand cream. I'm always putting on hand cream. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. I love this. I'm very, very pleased with this box. And last but not least are the rose gold measuring cups. These are so nice. I love them. So I'm really pleased with this box, and I think that I will definitely sign up for the full year subscription because I received 8 great products. Now I know 2 of them I'm not going to keep, the coffee and the necklace, but they make, you know, really nice gifts. So I will, I'm going to give that to my mom, like I said, but everything else I'm going to use. I'll probably give the necklace to my daughter if she wants it, or if not, I'll just keep it in for a giveaway for in the future. So I'm so happy that I decided to try this box, and you know, if you like subscription boxes, or if you want to, I guess, test your feet in the world of subscription boxes and you're Canadian, this might be a good way to start, because all the fees include shipping and they are in Canadian dollars, and there are absolutely no extra fees whenever you receive it. And I can tell you, this shipped from out on the west coast of Canada in BC. I live in Ontario, and I think it took maybe 3-4 days. So I was very, very pleased with the shipping. That's my review on my very first Simply Beautiful box. I give it 2 thumbs up, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more beauty, skincare, fashion, and subscription boxes in the future. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for spending time with me today. I will see you very soon. Bye.